Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update for today, Monday, 8th of July, the first entire week of the month. Remember that July, it's a month in which historically we've been trading and pushing higher with a lot of volatility, and I mean, the FOMO, it's kicking at all-time highs. So we have to really be patient, but at the same time, I expect good moves in July. So let's see what happens. In terms of economic data, today we only got consumer inflation expectations for June. It came lower from the previous one, 3.2. We are now at 3%, still way higher than the 2% goal for the Fed, but still a move in the right direction for inflation expectations. Apart from that, 3-month bill auction basically flat, and these two auctions were mostly flat. These are short term, so nothing else and no trading opportunity for this. So we are still trading with an idea of an interest rate cut from 525 to 525 basis points in September. We are pricing in this 73.6%. So markets are already there. And who knows if we are going to see also another rate cut, but this is way lower probability. But this 73, it's what markets is expecting, and it's also driving. This is one of the reasons why we've been seeing the Nasdaq pushing higher. And more than that, look at this move during the overnight in the small caps, the IWM. It now retraced a bit. We are still finding there a lot of sellers. The inverted fair value gap here, it's putting pressure. And let's see if we are starting to see some kind of rotation into this equity on the IWM, on the small caps. Looks like the big tech is getting some outflows on Meta. Look at Meta. Meta today is minus 1.83. But the rest is just one good. Nvidia moving 2.45. So it looks like we are getting out of Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, and we are pushing Nvidia and small caps. That might be a rotation. That's something worth watching. And Nvidia is putting 2.50% on the day, but the rest is just nonsense. That's why we are seeing this nonsense on the equity. We started with chop. We tried to go higher. We distributed, and then we are lower. And now we are trying again to grind higher. Now at 1:30, starting the afternoon, starting the after lunch, let me tell you, I wouldn't be short here because I'm getting this. Let me just show you the setup. I was tracking this inverted fair value gap it was on the 5-minute. We break through that with buying, and we have these relative equal highs sitting at high of day. I mean, this setup is for longs. And if you are short, be really careful because this might start blowing off tops and squeezing higher. And nothing else super important. Pretty boring Monday. Dollar is not showing anything. As you can see, I'm expecting more weakness to come on the dollar. Yields, the 2-year is just consolidating there. I expect more downside on the 2-year. I expect more downside on the 10-year. And the most important things today is that looks like we are maybe seeing some rotation to small caps from tech, and we are seeing Nvidia pushing. We have some volume down here, and after this consolidation, we might be seeing a retest of 140. Who knows? But apart from that, we have to be patient. It's still Monday. We have the entire week for us. We have CPI on Thursday. We have PPI. We have Jerome Powell testimony. We have Jerome Powell speech. There's a lot of news and a lot of risk ahead. So just be patient. Be patient. If you didn't trade today, I mean, look at this market. It's not worth. There will be more opportunities. So that's all I want to say. Thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, because I upload videos like this one every single day for market forecasts, market updates, and market recaps. I appreciate your time as always. Remember that the trading day is not over yet. We are starting into the afternoon. I wouldn't be surprised if we just continue grinding higher and blow off top into a squeeze into this zone, maybe 20,700. This is a short setup for a squeeze. Be really careful up here. And as always, be patient, be disciplined, manage your risk, because those will be your best assets for success. Stay safe, everyone, and see you tomorrow.